A collection of letters, or variables, and numbers combined by operations is called an algebraic expression. To evaluate an algebraic expression, you substitute a number for each variable. This changes the algebraic expression into a numeric expression. So for example, if I have 4 times x and I let x equal to 5, that becomes 4 times 5, which is 20. So if I have 3 times x and I let x equal to 6, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 6 and replace it for x. So this becomes 3 times 6, or 18. P to the third, when p is 5, I'm going to replace the p with 5. I'll get 5 to the third. So 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Q plus 12, when q is 13, that'll become 13 plus 12, which is 25. And then m minus 8, when m is 20, becomes 20 minus 8, or 12. Following the order of operations is necessary when evaluating more complicated algebraic expressions, since the process involves simplifying numerical expressions. So for example, evaluate the expression for the given values. If I have 3x squared plus 2y, where x is 2 and y is 4, I'm going to replace the x with 2 and replace the y with 4. So this becomes 3 times 2 squared plus 2 times 4. So order of operations is I start with the exponent. So this is 3 times 4 plus 2 times 4. And now I can deal with the multiplications. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. And 12 plus 8 is 20. So the value of this algebraic expression is 20. Okay. Some more problems. 3x plus 4 when x is 6. This becomes 3 times 6 plus 4. So do the multiplication first. That's 18 plus 4, or 22. 3 times parentheses 6 plus 4. Order of operation means do the parentheses first. So this becomes 3 times 10, or 30. 3y plus 4 minus 9, when y is 12. 3 times 12 plus 4 minus 9. That's 36 plus 4 minus 9, which is 40 minus 9, or 31. 3 times y plus 4 minus 9 becomes 3 plus 12 plus 4 minus 9. That becomes 3 times 16. 12 plus 4 is 16. 3 times 16 is 48 minus 9. We end up with 39. Using the formula a equals b times h over 2, where a is the area, b is the base, and h is the height of the triangle, find the area. So we're told the base is 13, so b is 13. And the height is 4, so h is 4. So in this formula, the area would be, I replace the b with 13, the height with 4, and then divide by 2. 13 times 4 is 52, and divide by 2 to get 26. And technically this would be square inches. All right, let's try more complicated. Put the number in the space that makes the statement true. So we're going to need to simplify as much as we can, then worry about the space. On the left, deal with the parentheses. So this becomes 18 plus 4 times 3 squared. Now the square becomes 18 plus 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. And 18 plus 36 is 54. So 54 plus something is equal to the right-hand side. And right-hand side, again, start with that 3 plus 2. The other parentheses doesn't have an operation, so I'm not going to deal with that right now. But I'll have 3 times 5 squared minus 5 times 3. Exponent becomes 3 times 25 minus 5 times 3. do the multiplications. I get 75 minus 15, and this simplifies to 60. So this problem reduces to 54 plus what is equal to 60? And that would be 54 plus 6. So think of this as the missing add-in model of subtraction. 60 minus 54 is 6. And for this final problem, put the correct inequality symbol, either less or greater or equals, in the space between the expressions. So 2 plus 6 cubed on the left is 8 to the third. And on the right, we have 2 to the third plus 6 to the third. Okay. So 8 to the third is 8 to the power of 3 is 512. Oops. 2 to the third is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 6 to the third is 216. So this becomes 512 blank. 8 plus 216 is 224. And I can see that 512 is larger, so this is going to be a greater than. So I would want to use the greater than symbol.